Alright, today I'll be going over my storyboard. The species that I picked is called the common carp, and its scientific name is Cyprinus carpio. On the second slide, the reasons why the common carp is a species of special concern. With the common carp being versatile at almost any bodies of water, they usually tend to dominate their environment. As a result, they cause problems for the ecosystem as they become invasive species and also compete with other species such as the bass and sunfish. Common carps can eat almost anything from zooplanktons to benthic organisms and vegetations. As you can see in these two pictures, common carps like hanging out at the bottom of the river because that's where they mostly find their food. Slide 3 goes over the distribution of the common carp throughout the LA River. You can see in these two pictures. This one is the Universal Studios location, and this one is the downtown LA River location. There aren't any common carps reported in these two locations because they're the hard bottom parts of the river. Slide 4. This is the soft bottom parts of the river, which is the Elysian Valley and the Sepulveda Basin Recreation Area. So there were a total of 12 observations in the Elysian Valley and 4 in the Sepulveda Basin Recreation Area. This data shows that common carps showing up in the concrete channels over here is very rare, and to begin with, they prefer living in soft bodies of the channel, so seeing one in concrete channels is unlikely. Slide 5 talks about benefits and costs for the eradication of the species. So the benefit of removing the common carp in the LA River are eliminating the competition for sustenance for the native species and also improving the water quality of the river. But the cost of removing the species is that they actually help produce more nutrients for other organisms. Carps act as nutrient pumps. So basically, when they consume the sediments on the floor, they digest them and turn them into nutrients. Second reason it does more harm removing carps is that the fish is actually considered an important fish food that other fish and animals can prey on. Their large populations give its prey an abundance of food source, therefore improving the overall habitat along the LA River. And then slide 6 is where my citations are listed.